Hey guys, it's Fabulous TT. And you already know I'm back for to show y'all what I got in my unboxing stuff. So this is another unboxing video, Temu. And yes, we are matching with our package today. Y'all see the cute orange little dress. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. Got my scissors. And let's cut this bad boy. How y'all doing today? It feels like it's a weekend and it's only Thursday. But that's okay. So first thing I pull out is the color block letter print pullover sweater crop top. Baby, she was $10.79. So I'm already loving this. I ain't even took it out already. Like, girl, it's giving me Different World. You know the show Different World? Like, this is so cute. I'm gonna have to order me the other colors. I at least want one more. But it says, baby girl, keep it good vibes. And on the back, necessity real only. Like, I love that. Like, she's a keeper, guys. Go ahead, cop this, okay? Color block, letter print, pull over, period. It has the thing at the bottom where you can make it tight too. Girl, I'm about to be styling this. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm really excited about that. And we got the drawstring extra long pants casual. I got it in a size medium for $11.47. Now these is super thick and warm. I didn't know they were gonna be like this, but this is cute. These are cute. Like, these things are extra long, okay? Wow. The material is really soft, really warm. So yeah, I love that. That is gonna go good. But this, baby, Fabulous TT about to be cute in these streets, okay? And the last thing I'm excited about is the shoes that I got. These are the woman platform short boots. These were $21.09 in the color silver, baby. Cause these is bomb, y'all. $21.79. And they got a zipper on the back, baby. Don't play with Temu, okay? I got this in a size 8. Do not play with Temu, because these are like space boots. And yeah, this giving me 70s vibes, which that's okay, because you know everything repeats itself, comes back in style. And baby, y'all better go get you some. They do. This is the only color they have in this style, but they do got a lot of boots right now, Temu, that you go ahead and order. But these is hella cute. Okay? Do not play with Temu. Do not sleep on Temu, okay? And no, they're not sponsoring none of my videos. I pay cash money for all my stuff, okay? Because your girl got 2 jobs, okay? But yeah, these are so cute, y'all. I cannot wait to wear these, okay? So yeah. Like I said, these were $21.09. The shirt around $12. And the pants were also like $22. I said it in the beginning of the video, but my little screen keep going off. So go ahead and get you this stuff, guys. Like, you need to get it now before everything sell out with Temu, because when it starts really getting cold, people gonna be on there trying to look for it, and it ain't gonna be that no more. So you better get your stuff now while you still got time. But this shirt, oh my gosh, like, I really want to go get the other. I want to order the other one right now, okay? This is cute. This good girl. Good bought. Very good unboxing. So again, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the TT Squad. It's Fabulous TT, and I'll see y'all later.